6517 Diamond Point Court. I'd say it probably needs a landscape cleanup, get rid of some of these weeds. Probably repaint this front door and maybe this wood trim as well. I've turned on as many lights as I could find except in the bathroom so far. This area is green, tile, changes. The flooring, this darker flooring actually looks like it's in pretty good condition. From what I've seen, I haven't seen a lot of scratches. It doesn't look very cheap. The blinds, however, would need to be replaced with 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. So we need a transition strip there. Add some closet doors here. And also a light. There's no light. Vinyl in this bathroom. And repaint the bathroom. And maybe replace this switch cover. Add the light bulbs. Get some blinds in here. It's carpet in this room. Carpet's okay. This is one of those border situations where maybe Jenny will say keep it. We need to add some closet doors here. Maybe she'll say it needs to go. The fact that it's an extra bedroom makes it a little more iffy. And also, it needs a good cleaning, but it may be okay once it's been cleaned. Add some blinds in here. So 2-3 blinds in this room. The flooring looks pretty good in here as well. So we have different color walls. We have a lightish purpley color on the right. Then maybe a mauve-ish color on the other walls in this room. So probably a total repaint because we have... actually, and then we have green in here again. Yeah, so 4, 5, 6 windows. A little bit of wear and tear on the cabinets. It may not matter if it's a Jenny call. A little more wear over here, and you can see there used to be cabinet pulls there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's evidence of pets. I don't smell anything though, just for the record. Okay, so I can't get this door open. But we have a concrete slab. It's divided into 4 parts here. We have some pavers. And definitely need some rock and attention on the rest of the yard. The hallway light wasn't turning on for some reason. Vinyl. This toilet looks good from what I can see. That doesn't mean the toilet seat won't have to be replaced. We're definitely missing a lot of light bulbs in this house. I'll leave that on just because it's so dark. This is the same carpet that was in the other bedroom. 7, 8, 9 windows so far. And I will just point out that these windows all do seem fairly large. Some stains in the carpet here. Tile. Wear on these cabinets. Not a big deal, just pointing it out. Maybe replace that toilet seat. Replace all of those light bulbs with normal light bulbs. Maybe get a good cleaning in here, maybe some caulking. I'm going to leave this door open just for the light. There's no light in this bedroom either. It's been capped off. So maybe add a ceiling fan. We have the correct blinds in this room. It's the first of those blinds that I've seen so far. Adding a ceiling fan with the light kit should be about $150, so not a big expense. We have vinyl in here as well. Oh dear God, sorry. Okay, that's a mannequin. We have a fridge in the garage. Okay. We also want to make sure all the door handles are non-locking if they go to a bedroom. Okay, that's the property.